In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice from an estimate in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool for managing your business finances, and one of its key features is the ability to seamlessly convert estimates into invoices. This process helps streamline your workflow, ensuring you can quickly bill your clients while keeping your records accurate. If you're new to QuickBooks Online or haven't explored this feature yet, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step so you can master it with ease. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive right in. First, start by navigating to the Sales section, located on the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online interface. Once you've clicked on Sales, look toward the top of the section and locate the tab labeled Estimates. Click on this tab to bring up a list of all your existing estimates. Now take a moment to locate the specific estimate you'd like to convert into an invoice. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar or filters to narrow it down. Once you've found the estimate, look for a small caret icon. This is the little drop-down arrow located next to the estimate you want to work with. Click on it to reveal more options. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Convert to Invoice. This will open a new invoice window where QuickBooks automatically fills in the details from the estimate you just selected. Here's where you'll want to pay close attention. Review the details in the invoice carefully. Check the item descriptions, quantities, and prices to ensure everything matches what you discussed with your client. This is your opportunity to make any adjustments or add any extra details your client may need, such as notes or specific terms related to the invoice. Once you're satisfied that everything looks correct, you're ready to save the invoice. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click the Save button. This officially documents the invoice in your QuickBooks account, and you're all set. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully converted an estimate into an invoice. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.